Welcome back once again, students. We will continue the paper. Question number 16. Here is one grid and there are some triangles. So we'll read the question now. Triangle A, B and C are drawn on the grid. The part A describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto B. So here he is asking about the transformation of A onto B. So this is the transformation called reflection, and from where it is reflection we will find the center point. So 1 2 1 2. So this is the center point. So we can write reflection in the line x is -1. So now we will see the second part. Describe fully the single transformation that maps the triangle A onto triangle C. So now we are talking about this triangle C from A onto C. So this triangle is actually rotating. So this image you first have to write rotating. Secondly, you have to point out these points and draw the line, and then draw the perpendicular bisection of this and then you point these 2 points. Sorry, this one is not. I have to point this the same angles. You have to draw a line from here to here, and now you have also the bisection of this, like so. This is their intersection at here. So from here you can write down. We have to write the center of rotation is this. Center of rotation is 0 1. So now we have to draw. So now we have to draw the line from here to here and from here to here, and here is 90 degree. So you have to check from here 90 degree, from here it is clockwise 90 degree. Now part C is triangle D is here is the question number 16, part C. The triangle D is the image of triangle A after the enlargement, scale factor 2 with the center of enlargement 1 2. So what you have to do, make the enlargement after the A and with the scale factor 2, and the center of enlargement is 2. So now we will take the center, same as they are asking, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, this is the center for enlargement. So from here 1 2, so they will charge So we draw the line here, and now they said with the scale factor 2, so that is already 2 from here, 1 2, so you have to make 2 factor here, and the same as from here 1 2 here. So you will draw the line like this. So this is the reflection enlargement with the scale factor 2 and with the center of enlargement 1 2. Let's move on to question number 17. Here is joint triangles. So we'll see the question. The diagram shows an isosceles triangle ABC where AB is equal to AC. D is the point on AC such that ADB is equal to 90. The first, they are saying that ABC triangle, AB and C triangle, where AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, means that these are two sides are same, and D is the point on AC which is 90 degree, so this is a 90 degree, and E point on AB such that angle AEC is 90 degree, so AEC, that is also 90 degree. Show that the triangle ADB and AEC are congruent. Congruent means like they are same. So there is 3 situations in that they are equal to each other. The first situation is side, and side, means all sides are equal. The second one is side, angle, and side, and third one is angle, side, and angle. So we have to check why these are congruent to each other. So we have to find out the situation from these 3. So triangle AEC and triangle ADB, there are 2 triangles, so we will make it separate first and then we will see. Here one more thing very important, I'll tell you that the A is a common angle which is equal for the both triangles. So we have to make the first triangle, this ADB here, for example A, B, B, this is 90, A, D, and B. This one is equal, so this angle is common. The same, now I'm going to make AE and C triangle here. That is 90 degree. This is a common angle, and this side was same. So it's mean that this is angle, side, angle. So we have to write here angle, side, angle. And why this is the reason, we have to tell, like, first A is common angle. Second, AD is equal to AE. AD is equal to AE because ABC is isosceles. The third reason, angle ADB and AEC equal to AEC 90 degree. So because these reasons, they are congruent to each other, so this is the answer of this question. So we will move to the next question. Yeah, one more thing, just you have to write before to move next question. So thus ADB and AEC are congruent. So let's move to the next question. Here, question number 18. Solve the simultaneous equation. Show your working. So there are two simultaneous equations over there, so we have to solve these out and find the value of x and y. So we will take the first equation and we consider 6y is equal to 0. So we will make the x value, we will move this plus 6y to this side, so it will be minus 6y. So x is equal to 6 minus 6y. So in the second equation we will put this x value and solve this equation. Minus 6y minus 2y is equal to 10. It will be minus 18y minus 2y is equal to 10. So it will be 20 minus 20y 10. So it will be 1 over 2. Y is 1 over 2, which we can make minus 0.2 0.5 sorry 0.5. So we will put the y value here and we'll see minus 6 into 1 over 2 minus. So it will be minus minus plus, so 6 over 2 to 3. So answer is x is 3. So x is 3 and y is minus 5. So now we will see the next question. So question number 19. Y is the proportional to x minus 1 whole square, and given that y is equal to 18 when x is 4, find the y when x is 6. So you have to be write this one, y is proportional to x minus 1 square. So we can write this one like this, k constant as a x minus 1 whole square. So here is the value of y is 18 and x is 4, so we will put this one 18 k 4 minus 1 over 2. 18 is equal to 9 k. This one 1 minus 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 whole square is 9, so 9k. So k is equal to 18 over 9, so 9 2s are 18, so k is 2 now. So we have to put this one now here. K value is 2, this equation, and x is 6 minus 1 over 2. So I write down here again, so not be confused, x minus 1 whole square. So it will be y is equal to 5 square. It's 5 square. 5 square is 25. So two into 25, which is 50. So y value is 50. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, students, there is question number 20 now. There is a grid here. The line 2y is equal to x is drawn on the grid. On the grid, draw the graph of y is equal to 2. So you have to draw the line first. I will draw with the blue color on the grid. So you have to draw the line on 2. Okay, fine. Next one is y plus x is equal to 4. So it's mean that it will be two values. One will be x is 0. That one will be y is equal to 2, this line. So you can write here is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. Second one is y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. So first one, x is 0 and y should be 4, this one, and then I should be here and x is 0. So you have to draw the line with these 2 points. The line is y plus x is equal to 4. Now the part B. On the grid, shade and label the region R defined by the following inequalities. So you have to shade the region with these inequalities. So x plus y is lesser than and equal to 4, means that it should be from here to here, this side. Okay, so 2y is greater than x, so it's mean that from here to there. This one is as given 2y is equal to x. So, and the third, y is lesser than and equal to 2. So y should be lesser than and equal to 2. X is greater than and equal to 0. So x should be greater than, like this. Like this. So now I will shade the region. It's very easy, it's not difficult. You must have to be do yourself with the lines as per these inequalities. So this region is indicating, so you have to highlight region R. Okay, so now we are going to move next question. Okay, here is question number 21. So factorize the following. So we have here one expression is 3cx plus 2bx minus 3cy 4by. So we have to factorize, means like in at least two combinations you have to take the factors, and we do solve further. So I write down 3cx plus 2bx, and then little bit far, like minus 3cy minus 4by. So what is the common in between? So it will be the factorize. So there is common, x is only common in between that, so I will write down the x first, and after that we have to remove from there. So it will be cross this, so it will be 3c plus, it will cross with that, so 2b. The same here, what is the common in between? So first is minus, so minus, I put minus here because on both side is minus. So after that there is only the y common, and even there is two factors are common in between. So I will write down 2y, it will be 3c minus plus, so 2 to the 4, y cross with that, and b. So then in this one again these two are common, so you will factorize this one, 3c plus 2b, and it will cross with that, so x minus 2y. So this is the answer, 3c plus 2b and x minus 2y. So part B, here is the question, 6x square plus 7x minus 10. So here they have actually done the one step, so we have to do that one in this equation. So what we have to do, we have to make two factors of this number which has the result in two ways. So I will tell you, like, so you have to multiply the first number with that, so it, like 6 into 10 is equal to 60, and the sign will be minus 60, and the other is plus 7. The other number is plus 7. So we have to make two factors. The result should be if we do multiply of them, answer should be minus 60, and the plus minus answer will be plus 7. So we will see like the combination of two numbers. So for example, I write 3 and 10. If we do the minus 3 with that, so it will be 7, but if we multiply with that, it will not 60. So I will, the next one, 4 with 11, the same, plus minus it will be 7, but the thing is multiplication is not the 5 and 12. This one is, if you do the plus and minus, it will be 7, and multiply it will be 60. So this combination is the right combination for this factorization. So but we have to take the sign also, so you have to make sure your signs should be right with these numbers. Your plus minus symbol should be plus, so it's mean that your bigger value has a plus sign, because if you plus and minus, whatever you do, the sign with the answer will be always with the largest value. So you put the plus, but you have to do the minus, so other value should be minus, plus minus, minus will be the relation, but answer should be plus 7. So second one is minus 5 multiplied by 12 minus 60. So it is true. So we have to do now 6 square plus 12 x minus 5 x minus 10. So now if you do plus minus, so it will be plus 7. So now you have to factorize this one. So in between there are 6 and x square are common, so you have to factorize these two. This 6 cross with that, x cross with square, so it will be x plus 12 2 only. So then there is minus first common, so you have to take the minus first. After that there is 5 common, so you will take 5, and after that 5 minus 5 cross with minus 5, it is x here, minus minus plus, and 5 to the, so it should be the same. Then you factorize the further, because it's the same now. X plus 2, I took the factorize, so it crossed with that, so it's 6x minus 5, and it will be also crossed with that. So this is your answer. You can write 6x minus 5 and x plus 2, or whether you can write the same. So we will move the next question. Question number 22. A car has mass of 2400 kg. Correct the nearest 100 kilograms. So 100 kilograms. The caravan has a mass of 1460 kg. Correct the nearest 10 kilograms. Calculate the lower bound for the total mass of car and caravan. As we know that for that car for 2400 kg is nearest 100 kg is plus minus 100 over 2, so it will be 2450, 2000 plus minus, sorry, 2350. So this is car. So caravan has 1460 plus minus 10 kilograms, so 10 over 2, it will be obviously 5, so you can write down 5 and it's 50, so it should be 165 and it will be 1455. So they said the lower bound for the total mass of the car. So lower bound, so this is the lower bound, so you have to take the total mass. Lower bound is equal to lower bound car plus lower bound caravan. So lower bound is 2 3 350 plus 1455. So we will add it to 350 1455, and it's 5, it's 10, 1 carry, 4 4 8 and 3. So your answer will be 3805 kg. Here's question number 23, part A. A is equal to b square plus c over d. Find A when b is equal to 4 into 10 square, and c is this and d is that. So write your answer in standard form. So we have to put the values. B is 4 into 10 square whole square plus c is 6 into 10 square over d is 2 into 10 square. So after that we will make 16 into 10 4 plus 6 into 10 3 over 2 into 10 2. So you have to add these numbers, but you cannot because your powers are not same. So what you have to do, you take 110 from here and multiply with that, and then power will be 3. So you can write here like 760 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 6 into 10 raised to power 3 and 2 into 10 raised to power 2. So now you can add these, so it will be 66 into 10 raised to power 3 over 2 into 10 raised to power 2. Now you will do the cuttings, so it will be it's better you will make separate 2 into 10 raised to power 3 over 10 raised to power 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, and this 2 will cross with that, it will be 1. So here is 83 into 10 raised to power 1. So it not should be right 1, but you have 1 multiply with that, so you have to take again back. So 8.3 into 10 raised to power 2. Next part is rearrange the formula to make b the subject. So here we have to write a is equal to b square plus c over d. So you have to be subject, you have to make subject b. So d is dividing here, so you have to move over there, so it will be like b square plus c is equal to a and d. C is going to plus here, so we will move there, so b square is equal to ad minus c. So it should be d, so we will take the square root on it. It will cross with that, so b is equal to ad minus c under root. So answer is ad minus c. Okay, part B. uh, here is m into 10 4 10 raised to power 4 plus m into 10 raised to power 2 is equal to 36360, and work out of this. So we have to find out the m value first from this equation, and then we will put in this equation, and then we can take the answer. So we have to write m into 10 4 plus m into 10 square is equal to 36360. So here is a what is the common thing is here, m 10 square is in both sides, so we can write here like m as a factor into 10 square. So here it will be crossed with the m, and 2 is it should be square plus, so it will be 1 here, and 36360. So it like this into 10 raised to power 2, it will go there, it will be like 100 plus 1 101, so we can write like this 36360 over 101. Then this 2 is also multiplied with the m, so we will move there, it will also do divide over there, so m is equal to 36360 over 101 into 10 raised to power 2. So we will solve 36360 over it will be 10100. So now we will divide this one, so it will be 36360 divided by 10100, it will be like 30300, and answer will be like 0606. So we'll put the point, it will be 0 one more, so it if we do multiply with 6, so it will be 60600. So answer will be m value is 3.6. So now we will put in this equation 3.6 into 10 raised to power 4 minus 3.6 into 10 raised to power 2. So when we multiply this one with that, so it will be 3600 and 30 because 1 point will move from here, minus it will move like 360, so you have to minus that 3600063 into 000, it will be 10 here, 10 9 here, and then 10 is 4, 9 3 is 6, and here is 5 and 3. So your answer is 35640. We will move to the next question. Okay, now question number is 24. This is the matrix question. So here is m and n, so you have to do the m minus n. So what you need to do, you have to write here 5 2 1 3 minus 4 3 minus 2 and 0. So you have to find the answer. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 1 minus 2 is equal to plus 3. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So this is the answer of 1 minus 1, 3 and 3. Okay, now question 24b part. So P and Q given, and then product of P is there, PQ also there. Find the value of C and value of D. So we have to write here E into Q. So E is 2, C 4 minus 5, and Q is 3 minus 2, 2, and D. So you have to do, so first row, first column, answer is here mentioned, and then first row, second column is 4 plus 4D. The second row and first column is 3C and plus 10, and second row and the second column is 2C and minus 5D. So we will take this one first. It is equal to 0, so we can write here 4 plus 4D is equal to 0. Now 4D is equal to minus 4, and then D is equal to minus 1. It is multiply here, so it will move there, so it will be divided with this minus 4. So minus 4 is cross with the 4, so it will be 1. So then we will check this our second, which is equal to 19. So we can write 3C plus 10 is equal to 19. So 3C is equal to 9, because 10 is plus here, you will move there, it will be minus with 19. 10 minus 19 is equal to 9, so that is 9 over 3 is equal to 3. So C is 3 and D is 1. You can check if you want to check this one, the C. We can check like 2 C value is 3 minus 5 D value is 1, so it's 6 minus 5. I think there is mistake of minus and minus, minus plus minus. Oh yeah, so there is minus 1 actually. Here you have to write the minus with the D value. So this minus and minus plus, so answer is 11. So it means it is true. I will move to the next question now. Okay, now the question is 25. It is the last question of this paper. Here is the one circle, and the diagram shows a circle center is C, that is C01, and the P35 is the point on the circumference of the circle here, and find the equation of the tangent. So this is the point in which we can join these 2 points, and it will be a 90 degree. So it means that we can find the tangent of PC. Okay, here is that question number 25, and this is the last question of this paper. So we will solve it and close this paper, and then we will start the new paper later on with the new video. So there is one circle, and the diagram shows that the circle center is C is this, and P is this, is the point on the circumference of the circle, and find the equation of the tangent at P. So we have to draw the line, these 2 points, from circle to tangent point. So it is 90 degree over here. So the radiant of BC is equal to 5 minus 1 over 3 minus 0. So it will be the 4 over 3. So now you used to find the radiant of tangent, which will be minus 3 over 4. So the passing point on tangent is P3 into 5, where is x and y. So we have to find the equation, so that's why we can write down like this: y minus 5 over x minus 3 is equal to minus 3 over 4. So now you have to move these values, cross multiplication. So you can write like this: 4 into y minus 5 is equal to minus 3 into x minus 3. So it will be the 4y minus 20 is equal to minus 3x plus 9. So now you can move numbers with numbers. So it will be 4y is equal to minus 3x and plus 29. So you can write this equation like 4y is equal to 29 minus 3x. So this is the question. Actually, the rule behind this tangent, where the touching point P draw with the center point, and the angle is 90 over there. So the radiant PC multiplied by radiant tangent must be minus 1. So this is the rule we have to apply for this one. After equation, you can find its values for that. Okay, thank you very much. So we will see in our next videos for the next paper. Thank you very much.